As we enter the second half of this year, we edge closer to the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So with Samsung's latest foldables now official, all eyes are on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and what new upgrade the handset is bringing to the table. Now the Galaxy S23 Ultra is also going to be the first phone to feature the new UFS 4 flash storage, which is pretty much twice as fast as the previous UFS 3.1. Ice Universe mentions that the S23 Ultra is almost unchanged compared to its predecessor as far as the design is concerned. It's going to be equipped with an impressive 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, and this is of course going to be used for the main camera. It's reportedly coming with new Hexa squared pixel binning technology. That means we're going to get low light performance on top of a very high resolution photos and videos. Samsung has been the best when it comes to the fingerprint scanner experience on their flagship phone. The 3D ultrasonic scanner has been reliable, accurate, but things could get ridiculously better if Samsung decide to adopt this latest tech from Qualcomm, the Ultrasonic Max scanner for the S23 Ultra. They increased the size of the sensor. To be specific, it was 1.7 times larger than one on the S10, and with the S22 Samsung improved the speed, and you can see it's as fast as capacitive fingerprint scanner. The US company announced an upgrade to the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner called the 3D Sonic Max, which promises to accurately scan a fingerprint in 3 dimensions. We'll probably get a better display with even thinner bezels than ever, but the main design elements are going to remain very similar. As always, Samsung is keeping the best and the special sensor for their own flagship. Since the development, I believe we're going to see a lot more leaks. Recently, a leak revealed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and the device is claimed to feature is same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessor. The S23 Ultra, we get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display, and it's coming with likely resolution of 1440 by 3080. We should see improvement to the color as well as the max brightness sensor. Also support 2-finger authentication as a high level of authentication such as banking applications. As rumors suggest, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 200-megapixel camera that would be up from the 108-megapixel main camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so quite an upgrade in terms of megapixel. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.